Okay, what we have today is a 2003 Aprilia Tuono. Not quite sure how to pronounce it. It's a great bike. Just a little bit of damage. Went down, rashed, broke this off. Rash there, mirror. Radiator leaks, and oil tank has a little rash on it. Other than that, bike's in really good shape. Oh, there is a little bit of rash right there, and a broken little mark there. $55,000 kilometers, which I think translates to about 35,000 miles. Alright, well, let's take this for a spin today. This is a good bike. I'm really impressed with it. I've ridden the RSVR, or a couple RSVRs, and this Tuono is something else. If you like the RSVR and you like the performance of it all, it is super comfortable. Having the bar height raised makes a big difference in comfort. I think a guy could do quite a few more miles in a day on a bike like this, and you still have the performance of the RSV or the RSVR. Just really impressed with it. The power plant, the engine, it has a really predictable torque curve. It's one thing I really love about these Aprilias. They're a really fun bike to ride. I know the R model, coming with all the carbon fiber goodies and the wheels and the suspension, that does make a difference, but still, this is still an excellent bike with the way this one is set up, with the other items that are on it. You know, the less expensive wheels and suspension. It does still have the Öhlins rear suspension, which that's a bonus, but it does still come with the Brembo brakes, which are still quite very good. They're very adequate. Gold Line series Brembos in the front on the R model are quite a bit better, but it just depends on how hard you're riding. Plenty of power. should have switched this over to the USA display on the dash with the miles per hour and the Fahrenheit, but I didn't. Always have to break out my phone and look it up to figure out how to switch it.